The Nobel Prize is a set of annual international awards bestowed in several categories by Swedish Norwegian institution in recognition of academic, cultural or scientific advances. The prizes in chemistry, literature, peace, physics and physiology or medicine were first awarded in 1901. The prizes are widely regarded as the most prestigious awards available in their respective fields. Who established Nobel Prize? The will of Swedish chemist, engineer and industrialist Alfred Nobel established the 5 Nobel Prizes in 1895. Who was Alfred Nobel? Alfred Bernhard Nobel, 21st October 1833 to 10 December 1896, was a Swedish chemist, engineer, inventor, businessman and philanthropist. He held 355 different patents, dynamite being the most famous. The synthetic element nobelium was named after him. He owned Bofors, which he redirected from its previous role as primarily an iron and steel producer to a major manufacturer of cannon and other armament. Inventions. Nobel found that when nitroglycerin was incorporated in an absorbent inert substance like kieselguhr, diatomous earth, it became safer and more convenient to handle, and this mixture he patented in 1867 as dynamite. Nobel demonstrated his explosive for the first time that year at Quarry in Redhill, Surrey, England, in order to help re-establish his name and improve the image of his business from the earlier controversies associated with the dangerous explosive. Nobel had also considered naming the highly powerful substance Nobel Safety Powder but settled with dynamite instead, referring to the Greek word for power. Nobel later combined nitroglycerin with various nitrocellulose compounds similar to collodion but settled on more efficient recipe combining an other nitrate explosive and obtained a transparent jelly-like substance which was a more powerful explosive than dynamite. Gelignite or blasting gelatinine, as it was named, was patented in 1876 and was followed by a host of similar combinations modified by the addition of potassium nitrate and various other substances. Gelatinite was more stable, transportable and conveniently formed to fit into bored holes like those used in drilling and mining than the previously used compound, and was adopted as the standard technology for the mining in the age of engineering, bringing Nobel a great amount of financial success, though at a significant cost to his life. An offshoot of this research resulted in Nobel's invention of ballistate, the precursor of many modern smokeless powder explosives and still used as a rocket propellant. Establishment of Nobel Prize. In 1888, Alfred's brother Ludwig died while visiting Cannes, and a French newspaper mistakenly published Alfred's obituary. It condemned him for his invention of military explosive, not as is commonly quoted dynamite, which was mainly used for civilian application, and is said to have brought about his decision legacy after his death. The obituary stated, "Le merchant de la mort est mort," the merchant of death is dead, and went on to say Dr. Alfred Nobel, who became rich by finding ways to kill more people faster than ever before, died yesterday. Alfred, who never had a wife or children, was disappointed with what he read and concerned with how he would be remembered. On 27 November 1895 at Swedish Northern Club in Paris, Nobel signed his last will and testament and set aside the bulk of his estate to establishment of Nobel Prizes to be awarded annually without distinction of nationality. After taxes and bequests to individuals, Nobels will allocated 94% of his total assets to establish the 5 Nobel Prizes.